National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Freestone County and central Texas, northeastern Limestone County and central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Teague, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Teague around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Cotton Gin, Langley, Fallon, Dew, Shiloh, Doney, Freestone, and Red Lake. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 181 and 199. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local